Hey guys, Chris with Edge Body here for your workout of the day. I'm calling today's workout Manic Minutes because we've got 5 upper body exercises that you're going to perform 1 minute each time. The goal is going to be getting through all 5 exercises 4 or 5 times depending on how tough, how savage you really are. To start it out, we're going to be doing a basic floor press. Grab yourself a set of dumbbells, have your feet flat on the floor, slightly tuck your elbows in and press straight up, squeezing your chest all the way up, all the way down until your elbows, triceps tap the floor and explode right back up. Performing this motion until the entire 60 seconds is up. Remember to always chase quality form over the rep count. Second exercise is going to be called a bent over row. Hinge over, core staying tight, back staying flat, pull straight up, squeezing your shoulder blades, holding for a second on the top, and then slowly lowering down. Try and start out with both arms coming up. If this becomes too taxing, then go ahead and go one arm each time until you finish up the entire 60 seconds. Now your third exercise, let's hit those shoulders. It's going to be a standing Arnold press. Dumbbells back in your hands. You're going to start palms facing each other, elbows kind of away from you, and then you're going to externally rotate, palms facing away from you until you're out, press straight up overhead, pull back in, and then turn in again, performing this motion for the entire 60 seconds. Your fourth exercise, bicep curls. Start palms facing each other. Bend your elbows, pull those arms straight up towards your shoulders, and we're going to rotate and turn those palms face your shoulders every single rep, all the way up, all the way down. Just like we did with the bent over rows. If it becomes too taxing, one arm at a time until the entire 60 seconds is up. Last exercise, fifth exercise, I'm going to be on my knees, kneeling, overhead triceps, hips up, so you're not sitting on your heels. Clank those dumbbells together. Extend your arms straight overhead, down, and back up. Keeping your elbows straight overhead, squeezing the triceps, keeping that core tight, core engaged the entire time. And you'll repeat that motion for the entire 60 seconds. Now at the end of those 5 different exercises, feel free to take a 1 to 2 minute rest and hit it again. The goal being 4 times through. If you're feeling like an absolute savage, go for that 5th time. Hey, give this workout a shot and let me know what you think. Peace.